The recipe I'm going to be showing you today comes from this cookbook. We're going to be making scalloped potatoes with heavy cream and cheese. Let's get started. This is one of my favorite cookbooks, Mastering the Art of French Cooking by Julia Child. If you don't have it, you should get it. If you do have it but you haven't cooked from it, you should cook from it. I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can check out this book. This cookbook is going to teach you a lot about cooking, and Julia Child has a way of taking simple ingredients and making the flavors just amazing. So make sure you check out this book. Go ahead and peel 2 pounds of potatoes. Now when you're peeling your potatoes, if you do this over some plastic wrap, it's going to make the cleanup go a lot faster. Now when you're in the kitchen, anything to help you save time on cleanup is a wonderful thing because now you can spend more time with your family. After you've peeled those potatoes, go ahead and slice them into 1/8 of an inch thick slices. Put them into a bowl with some cold water. This is going to prevent your potatoes from going brown. In the dish, go ahead and smear about a tablespoon of butter on the bottom and up the sides. This is going to prevent the potatoes from sticking, and it's also going to add lots of flavor. Go ahead and arrange the potatoes in a nice layer. Then you're going to season with some salt and pepper, and then some grated Swiss cheese to go on top. Then take some more potatoes and layer again, salt, pepper, cheese, and we're also going to take some butter and put some on top of the potatoes. Now you're going to just keep doing these layers until you get to the top of the dish or you've run out of potatoes. Pour on 1 1/4 cups of heavy whipping cream and then top it off with some more grated Swiss cheese. The potato is one of the most basic, plain, and simple vegetables that you can find. But when we add ingredients to it like salt, pepper, cheese, and heavy cream, it completely transforms it into a savory and delicious dish. So just like the potato that's plain and simple, when we do those plain and simple things in our lives, that's where we add the flavor and the deliciousness to our dish, to our family. That's where we create the things that we want to eat, the things that we want to do with our families. Bake the potatoes in a 300-degree oven for about 1 hour to 1.5 hours. Those potatoes are done when they're nice and tender, they've absorbed most of the cream, and the top is a nice golden brown. This side dish goes perfectly with most meats, but especially with that nice ham that you're going to be making for Easter. Don't forget to check out this video right here, where I collaborated with the channel Good and Basic, and we go more into depth and talk more about potatoes. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.